So how might we redesign the way that the public thinks about local tap water?
So one of the women we interviewed while she was in school had attended a tour to see how water was pumped from Edwards Aquifer, the treatment process it went through, and the delivery process. And there was a faucet there that they turned on, and people could capture a cup of water and drink it. And so she said she felt so much better about her water source once she had done that. So I asked her, do you think that people in general would value their water more if they knew more about where it came from and what it takes to get it? She said, oh yeah, without question. So she was still a young woman, but obviously been out of school for a while. And yeah, this was an experience that she felt important.
Okay, nice.